Hi everyone. In DCIDE, you can easily create and share reference designs with the microgrid engineering community. Let's start by putting a reference design together comprising 2 EV chargers, a battery storage system, solar, and a connection to the grid. Let's connect everything together to a central distribution panel. Let's add the necessary power conversion equipment in between. Let's add our logo. And if we want, we can also annotate it with some text. Okay, here we are. And now we can go ahead, share this diagram. And here you now have the option to select Marketplace, which means everybody will be able to view this project and it will be available through our design marketplace. Let's click it. You can enter a description. You can add some tags. You can define your own one. You can upload a thumbnail. And next you can publish this design. After publishing, you can go to the design marketplace where you will find your reference design with the tags and the description. And everybody will be able to go and look at your design. If you want to share a link to your design, just head back to Show Diagram and copy the link. Thanks for watching.